Hey guys, welcome back to the Life of a Nine. Today we are doing an unboxing of my first ever iPhone. You know, I've been wanting an iPhone for the longest time, and I finally got one for Christmas, and I'm like so excited. So, you know, that's what I'm using to record right now to make this video. So yeah, let's get into that. This is what it came in. This case right here, this box right here. I don't have a case for the phone yet, so yeah. Just open it. You can see the design by Apple in California. So what's inside of this is the Apple stickers, you know. First pair of Apple stickers. I got Apple stickers right here, and then some directions right here. Y'all can't see that. Some directions right here. Some more right here. Set up the phone, and then you got the SIM injector to put your SIM card in. I have a SIM card because I have data. And then I have the headphone thing that came in. It's not no more of it right here. And then that's really all that came in the box. What I was saying right here is that I was just thankful to have this phone and that my parents were able to give me this phone, and I'm thankful for them and what they did. 7, the iPhone 7, and this is what it looks like. The matte black. This is the matte black 32 gigabyte. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in another one of my videos.